Welcome to another Master Investors podcast. Today's theme is going to be 3 reasons why not to worry about money and why people do today, right? And the first reason is people get wrong financial advice from the wrong financial advisors. So we have to be careful who we listen to. That's why we created Master Investor, right? We are an investment management company, but we also have taken the task on providing financial education made simple, high quality financial education made simple, and so that we can tap in and bring the master investor each partner of ours. So our mission here is to elevate the financial well-being of all of our partners, including the free partners too, the ones that are coming in. Like if you're new to the podcast, welcome. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and follow us. So the number two reason why not to worry about money and why they do is because the poor pay the most in taxes. So we have to, because that's our largest expense in our lifetime. So we have to get great at minimizing taxes by using the laws and rules of money. Right, so subscribe to our blog at www.masterinvestor.education and then get the daily financial education that will drastically increase your financial well-being, your bottom line, your cash flow, your passive income, the income of the ultra wealthy, right? The one that's going to help you and your company become more powerful and also more free to do and innovate and so forth. So to expand, right? And that's the goal for your lifestyle, to expand and reach more of your dreams and our dreams, right? So Master Investor is the money, business, and investing brand of the world. Number 3. So let me go back to number 2 real quick. So they pay the most in taxes. So when we have a company, right? So if you don't have a company, go ahead and get started with a company. If you don't know how to, go to our digital course. Number 1 is called Start My Company, and that will provide guidance to you, and you will keep that product for life as long as we keep updating the product every year. Whenever we do it, you will also have access to the new one because you bought it and you took action. And eventually it might have even an affiliate program where if you sell it or you share with somebody else and they decide to purchase it because they heard it from you, then you get a percentage credit back to your account and you can use it. You can, take it out as money or invest it back into more education. So anyway, so having a company will put us in a better tax bracket. We talked about that in a few podcasts before, but we will keep talking about it because it's important that we minimize taxes legally. And when we have the company in the right state, with the right formation, with the right selection of tax for the IRS, then we can minimize taxes, and we have the right CPA with the right strategy, then we can definitely pay zero legally in taxes. And so it's critical that we actually take action and make sure that we get on the best tax bracket so that we can minimize the number 1 largest expense we all have, taxes. Number 3, what's the third reason why people worry about money and why not to worry about money? Because you're here at Master Investors Community. We can offer that help to you, which is the third reason why they don't have a safety net. And when a person doesn't have a safety net, then they become desperate, they become miserable, they become frustrated, and the dreams will start dying slowly, and they will actually also slowly die. So it's important that we take our life back in control, and in order to have a safety net, we have to take massive action. We're starting our own company, started creating assets on our asset column. We all have a financial statement, so it's critical that we take massive action after this audio. If you're hearing this, then take massive action. If you don't have any passive income that comes in even when you sleep, even when you're eating or doing anything, then you need to take massive action, start your own company, and then find an opportunity and build a marketing campaign behind it. We will help you with all of that. There are systems today that will do the selling and selling for us. So Number three, in order to have a safety net, is by creating assets, all right? By acquiring assets, creating assets. And we can also use debt, credit cards to acquire these systems and products that we can sell back to the marketplace, because they actually want that product that we're offering, that service that we offer, because we have studied the market and we say, hey, there's a need of this, and here we're going to fill it by creating this website with the sales funnel, with this capture page, and we're going to bring traffic, people that actually want that product, and we're going to bring that in front of them so they can go ahead and see the video and purchase from us. And that goes directly to your bank account. We're going to show you how to set it all up and get it going so that you can start building your bottom line, your cash flow, if you don't have any yet. But if you do, then build upon the one that you have by, using our systems and using our strategies to expedite and increase your cash flow, right? To the next level, to your next financial point that you have ambition for your company and yourself. All right, with that being said, those are the 3 reasons why not to worry about money. So subscribe to our channel here, and also, if you like, we're also doing every day a video on YouTube, and follow us also on Instagram and all platforms. Look for the logo. Thank you for being part of Master Investors community, bringing the good and bad news of money. Remember that knowledge is money. And so in the information age, once we organize information, we can also sell it back to the marketplace and create passive income by getting royalties from those PDF. And we're going to add a bonus to that too as well, so that you can, maybe you have a passion, maybe you have something that you want to tell the world, maybe you learned something that was effective to you and you want to break it down and then provide it to the masses, because it will help a lot of people and that will create passive income. Maybe that'll be your first asset. Who knows? It's super simple, right? Creating a Word document and then executing a 20-page PDF with steps and putting a price on it is the value that we bring into the marketplace that counts. All right. With that being said, I'll talk to you on the next podcast. Thank you for having me again, and follow us here, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.